Number 16, at which point on the titration curve is the conjugate base concentration close to twice that of the acid concentration? Well, once again, let's refer back to this reaction. HA releasing into H plus and A minus. So ice chart, you basically want this to be double this, right? So let's just say you start with 100 and you had nothing and nothing. And I don't know, let's just get some bases. You lose half. So gain half, so 50 and 50. So that's a no-no, right? We want this to be more. So let's lose a lot more then, right? Shall we? How about like 70? So that'll be plus 70 and plus 70. So that's now 70 and like 30. Kind of. It's a little more than a double, but you get the point. That's something close to about double, right? So what do we want? If you look at this right now, what we want is the acid to be dissociated, right? Not completely, I guess. Like, we're not completely done with the titration just yet because we still have that 30 remaining, still have some of the acid remaining, but more than half of the acid should have already been dissociated. So something like that. So once again, we go back to this point and you realize that point S is the half equivalence point. That should be halfway. Once again, 50-50, but that's not what we wanted, right? So what was the only choice we have? Probably this right here, the point T, right? That's probably where more than half of your acid already has been dissociated, but not quite done with the whole titration just yet because you are right here, but the titration point is right there. So you still have this much more to go. Let me kind of highlight. You still have this much more to go, but you're still at a point where more than half of your acid already has been dissociated. So point T is probably what we're looking for. Therefore, it should be answer choice C.